Okay, I'm going to show you how to take video from an iPhone 4G and edit it in Final Cut Pro or Express. Now the 4G shoots 16 by 9, so widescreen, 720p HD video. So I'm going to show you how to convert that video into a HD format that you can edit. Now, if you have Final Cut Express, you'll have to convert it into one codec, and if you use Final Cut Pro, you can use a different codec. So first thing we need to do is get the file off of our iPhone. So we plug it in to our computer, launch iPhoto, and here under Devices, we'll see, Ryan Jackson's iPhone or your iPhone. So we wait a second, and we scroll down the list, and the ones here with little tiny video cameras next to them, those are videos. So say I want this video right here. It'd be great if I could just drag it out, but I can't. I have to go Import Selected, and this will copy it from my iPhone into my iPhoto library. So this just takes a second. There we go. I'm going to hit Keep Original. So now if I go to my library, scroll down, and there's my video. I can now take this, and I can drag it out and onto my desktop. And there we go. Now I can close iPhoto. Now, here's my video. I take it and I drag it into MPEG Streamclip. Now, I just want to say, if you're in a hurry and this is just one short little clip, you can drag this right into Final Cut Pro if you want. But you're going to have to render it before you can do anything with it, and that's really slow. So that's why we're converting it first. So go into MPEG Streamclip. Now, if all you want to do is snip this video down, first off, you could have done that in the iPhone, which is actually easier. But say I wanted my video to start here. I would hit I on my keyboard, and I want it to end here. Hit O. Let's even do a shorter clip. Say, dun-dun-dun. I now go Edit, Trim, and now I've trimmed it down to just these few seconds. There we go. So now we go to File, Export to QuickTime. Now if you have multiple files, you can go Batch List and select multiple files, but here I only have one. So Export to QuickTime. We're going to choose Apple Intermediate Codec, 100% quality, 1280-720 unscaled, uncompressed stereo audio, frame rate, better downscaling, turn off interlace scaling, and change it to 29.97 frames per second. The reason we do that is that the iPhone 4G will shoot sometimes at 24 frames per second, sometimes at 30 frames per second. It depends how dark it is. So we're just going to force it to always be 29.97. So there we go, Apple Intermediate Codec. Now, if you have Final Cut Pro and you know a little bit more about codecs, you can use XDCAM 720p 30, which will give you a little bit smaller file sizes. You can do that if you want. I'm just showing you Apple Intermediate Codec because it works with both Final Cut Express and Pro. So we hit Make Movie. I'll have to give it a different name, like, I don't know, Apple Intermediate Codec, and hit Save. So this will chug away. Okay, so now our video is done. We go to Final Cut Pro, Easy Setup, and we make our settings to be the same as the video. So we go here to Apple Intermediate Codec, 29.97 frames per second, and we're going to select 720p 30. And now we're going to hit Setup. Now we can go New Project. We can go Save, always save your project, call it Test. Go to File, Import Files. We choose our converted file, and there we go. It's HD, and we can hit I and O, drag it in, say we want here, I, and O, drag that in, and whatever. Now we can edit our video. So that's how we convert video from the 4G into intermediate codec, or if you're using Final Cut Pro, you can use XDCAM EX.